Getting quality sleep while traveling can be a challenge, but with the right accessories, you can sleep comfortably anywhere. Whether you're on a long-haul flight, a road trip, or staying in a hotel, we've got the best travel sleep essentials to help you rest better. Stay tuned as we break down the must-have items that will transform the way you sleep on the go. Sleeping while traveling can often feel like an impossible task. Cramped seats, noisy surroundings, and unfamiliar environments make it difficult to relax and get the rest you need. However, with the right accessories, you can turn any journey, whether by plane, train, bus, or car, into a comfortable and restful experience. Let's explore the best travel sleep essentials that will help you drift off effortlessly, no matter where you are. A neck pillow is one of the most crucial accessories for travelers who struggle to sleep upright. Without proper neck and head support, you may wake up with stiffness, pain, or even a headache. A high-quality travel pillow cradles your neck, ensuring it remains aligned with your spine. Memory foam travel pillows are a popular choice as they contour to the shape of your neck, providing personalized support. For those who prefer a compact option, inflatable travel pillows can be easily deflated and stored in a carry-on. Some modern designs even include built-in hoods or adjustable firmness settings to enhance comfort further. Noise is a common enemy of sleep, especially in crowded airports, busy hotel rooms, or airplanes filled with chatter and engine noise. Investing in noise-canceling headphones can transform your travel experience. These headphones use active noise cancellation technology to reduce unwanted sounds, allowing you to relax and listen to soothing music, meditation tracks, or white noise without distractions. If you prefer a more discreet option, high-quality earplugs can significantly reduce external noise, providing a quiet environment conducive to rest. Silicone earplugs mold comfortably to the ear, making them an excellent choice for side sleepers, while foam earplugs are lightweight and disposable, perfect for frequent travelers. Light exposure can make it difficult to fall asleep, especially when traveling across different time zones or napping in bright environments. A sleep mask is a simple yet highly effective way to block out unwanted light and signal to your brain that it's time to rest. Memory foam sleep masks conform to the shape of your face, preventing any gaps where light can sneak in. Weighted sleep masks offer an extra level of relaxation by applying gentle pressure around the eyes, similar to the calming effect of a weighted blanket. For travelers who need complete sensory isolation, a noise-canceling sleep mask combines blackout features with built-in audio, allowing you to listen to calming sounds while eliminating both noise and light. For those who struggle with background noises disrupting their sleep, a portable white noise machine is a must-have. These compact devices generate soothing sounds such as rainfall, ocean waves, or gentle humming to drown out unwanted noises. Many models are rechargeable or battery-operated, making them ideal for travel. If you prefer a digital alternative, white noise apps on your smartphone can provide a similar effect, though it's best to put your device in airplane mode to avoid notifications disturbing your rest. Staying warm and cozy is another important factor in achieving restful sleep while traveling. A travel blanket provides warmth and a sense of familiarity, making it easier to relax. Many travel blankets are made from soft, breathable materials like fleece or microfiber, ensuring maximum comfort without taking up too much space in your bag. Some even fold into a compact pouch, doubling as a pillow when needed. Long-haul flights and extended car rides can lead to poor circulation and leg discomfort, making compression socks a valuable addition to your travel kit. These specially designed socks improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and help prevent deep vein thrombosis, a condition that can occur during prolonged periods of immobility. By wearing compression socks, you can keep your legs feeling fresh and comfortable, reducing fatigue and making it easier to rest. To further enhance comfort, a portable footrest or inflatable foot hammock is an excellent accessory. These footrests allow you to elevate your legs, reducing lower back strain and promoting better circulation. Hanging from a seat tray or positioned underfoot, they create a more relaxed posture, making it much easier to fall asleep. Pairing a footrest with compression socks offers the ultimate combination for reducing travel fatigue. For travelers who experience back pain, a lumbar support pillow is essential. Long hours of sitting can cause tension in the lower back, leading to discomfort and stiffness. A properly designed lumbar pillow provides additional support, helping to maintain the spine's natural curve and preventing pain. Whether you're sleeping or simply resting, this pillow can make a significant difference in overall comfort. For those who value both warmth and privacy, a travel sleep hoodie is a multifunctional accessory that combines a built-in hood, face cover, and sometimes even an integrated pillow. It's perfect for keeping warm on chilly flights while also blocking out light and sound. Sometimes, sleeping on an unfamiliar bed can be uncomfortable, whether it's too hard, too soft, or simply not supportive enough. A portable bed or travel-friendly mattress topper adds an extra layer of cushioning, helping you sleep better wherever you stay. Inflatable travel beds are perfect for camping or overnight stays in places with limited sleeping options, while memory foam mattress toppers can make even the most basic hotel bed feel like home. Temperature regulation is another important factor in getting quality sleep. A cooling pillow is designed for travelers who overheat at night. These pillows are infused with cooling gel that helps regulate body temperature, preventing night sweats and discomfort. For those who struggle with dry environments such as airplanes or hotel rooms with central heating, a portable humidifier adds moisture to the air, preventing dry skin, sore throats, and nasal congestion. Adjusting to different time zones can be challenging, making it difficult to fall asleep when needed. Melatonin supplements can help regulate the sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to overcome jet lag. Natural sleep aids such as magnesium supplements, valerian root, or chamomile tea can also promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before using any sleep aids. Aromatherapy is another effective way to enhance relaxation and sleep quality. Pillow sprays infused with essential oils like lavender or chamomile can create a calming atmosphere, reducing stress and promoting restful sleep. Simply spritzing a bit on your pillow or blanket before bedtime can make a significant difference in your ability to unwind. For a more portable option, essential oil roll-ons allow you to apply calming scents directly to your temples or wrists. For those looking for a versatile travel accessory, a sleep-friendly scarf serves multiple purposes. Made from soft, breathable fabric, it can be used as a pillow, eye mask, or even a light blanket. Similarly, a travel footrest pillow provides elevation and extra support for your legs, helping you maintain a more comfortable sleeping posture. With all these travel sleep accessories, getting quality rest on the go is no longer a challenge. Whether you're dealing with noisy flights, uncomfortable seating, or unfamiliar hotel rooms, the right combination of pillows, masks, noise-blocking devices, and comfort-enhancing accessories can help you achieve deep, restorative sleep. By investing in these essentials, you can ensure that every journey leaves you feeling refreshed and well-rested, ready to take on new adventures. With these travel accessories, you can say goodbye to restless nights and wake up feeling refreshed, no matter where you are. Which of these sleep essentials is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels and sweet dreams.